What's up guys, it's Instinct here, and today I'll be showing you guys how you can make money on Sellfy in 2018. Now if this video could hit 10 likes, that'd be absolutely insane, so let's start the video. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to go over to Sellfy. The link will be in the description. So pretty much once you're here, what you want to do is you want to make an account. Now if you already have an account, go ahead and log in, but if you don't have an account, make an account. And once you have made an account, it should take you a page like this. So once you're here, go ahead and just go to analytics and click add your first product. So here is where you'll add the product that you want to sell. So for me, I'm just going to sell my thumbnail template. Type Instincts thumbnail template. So yeah, so once you have that, you can just go drag and drop files here. So just click browse on your computer, and I'm gonna select the document. So I'm gonna scroll down here, and it should be right here. So once your file is done uploading, or whatever it is that you uploaded is, go ahead and write a description. Now the better the description, the easier it is to rank for other people to see, to buy. So yeah, so just make it appealing. So I'm just gonna write this is my first template. If you have any suggestions, make sure to let me know, and enjoy the template. So I'm not going to go too in depth on the description just for the video purpose. So also it wouldn't be a bad idea to link your Discord or social media. So I'm going to say, if you have any problems, DM me on Discord. Any problems, DM me on Discord at instinct yt.3k hashtag 2028. Yeah, so that's really it for the description. You can do more, but just to keep the video short, that's all I'm gonna do. And go ahead and scroll down and select your category. So for me, I'm just gonna go with design, and from here you can add tags. Now I can make a video on how to make tags, good tags on YouTube if you guys really want that. So if you guys want that, make sure to let me know. So for tags for this, I'm just gonna write YouTube thumbnail, or oops, right there, thumbnail template, thumbnails. Alright, so I probably cut out, and yeah, so pretty much I'm not gonna put all 10 tags in. I'm just gonna put in a few, just so you guys get the idea. But once you're done with the tags, you can go ahead and scroll down further, and for the product preview, add an image. So for me, I'm just gonna add the actual thumbnail, so people know what the product looks like, what the template looks like. So I believe I saved it as... Okay guys, so turns out I didn't save it, but I just went back and saved it now, so it should be under Sellfy picture. So let me just find it here, and it's right here. So this is what my template looks like, so I'm just going to click open, and this is your preview for whatever your product is. So scrolling down here, you can just select your your money, I guess. And for me, I'm just gonna go with the US dollar, and then just select how much you want for your product. So I'm just gonna type in $3, and yeah. and check that, and that should be it. Check this so people can see your product, and I think that is it. So yeah, so go ahead and hit publish, and it offers you to share it. So yeah, so you can copy this link to share it with people and send it to people, and yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is how to make money on Sellfy in 2018. One thing I did forget to mention is make sure that you have your PayPal linked to your Sellfy account, therefore that the money can get transferred over to your PayPal account when someone does buy your product. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.